A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Is the RV lifestyle for you? That's today's question. Is it, dear?
Seemed very dramatic.
That's what we do. We have a top list of things that if the RV lifestyle is for you, that you may, I don't know, enjoy.
These are just some questions that you should ask yourself to determine if the RV's lifestyle.
So is this like
for
a
you.
test?
Yeah.
If they can answer yes to all of these, then the RV lifestyle is probably for you. How would that?
All of them. That's a lot.
Well, how many?
Well, let's see. I don't know. Let's just roll with it.
Yes, let's roll with it.
Let's ask them this question. If they like pain, if you enjoy pain, then the RV lifestyle is probably for you.
What kind of pain? Mental?
Well, that's a whole nother video.
Yes, pain is associated with the RV lifestyle. And let us just give you an example.
I think it's probably because you have to get used to small spaces. You think you could help me instead of just stand there?
Yes. I got you, dear. I got it. Ow. Oh, that hurt. Sometimes a joke goes too far. Oh gosh!
Okay, that's funny.
It's not that funny. Ow! That did hurt too. I don't want to do this anymore. Dang it! You make the bed yourself. Probably one of the next questions that you probably need to ask yourself is do you like puzzles? What kind of puzzles, you may ask?
Puzzles.
Everyday puzzles. It could be quite puzzling.
Really?
No, that's funny.
Hey, I'm gonna grill some chicken, but I need you to get the stuff for the grill down. Please.
Stuff for the grill down. You like puzzles? Try this one on for size. That stuff's up there. I don't think it matters.
Another question you should ask yourself is, do you want to hear everything your spouse says?
Well, of course. I mean, communication is key.
I love
when it
being
comes.
able to hear everything you say. Hey, honey, can you grab the clothes out of the dryer, please?
Yeah? Okay. I'll do it when I'm darn good and ready, for sure.
You know I can hear you, right?
Dear, one of the best things that you probably should ask yourself in this new lifestyle is, do you really want to get away from it all? Like, just unplug.
Like far, far away.
Like far away. If you really enjoy that, this lifestyle may be for you. So do you want to? This is like facial.
Todd, I told you there is no signal. You are completely unplugged.
I gotta get the video uploaded.
Another question you should ask yourself is, do you like surprises? Because if you do, this RV lifestyle is for you.
Do you like surprises?
I used to.
Now you got shell shock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
You start getting twitches. I hate this thing. Oh, this one is probably my favorite. My absolute favorite RV lifestyle. Do you enjoy physical touch?
Really?
Do you?
What are you doing?
Getting snacks.
Right now? You need a snack
Yeah,
right now.
I need a snack. Snacks. Sorry. They should make these bigger. Coffee cake. Okay, this has got to be Sheila's absolute favorite.
Yes, I like this one. But do you like to clean? Constantly. All the time. Do you enjoy cleaning?
She enjoys cleaning.
I do enjoy cleaning. But every time we move, we go somewhere, there's sawdust. Every time.
How does that happen?
I don't know. It's like there's a sawdust fairy or something. It just shows up. They understand if they've been in the RV life. They would know what I'm talking about. So you gotta enjoy cleaning.
Do you enjoy cleaning?
Yeah.
Because sawdust is just part of it.
What is that noise? Are you serious? I just vacuumed. Where's that sawdust coming from? Todd? Todd. Are you serious? Really? You and your costumes. And I knew you were the sawdust fairy. I just knew it. I'm going to bed. Take that off and come to bed.
She really enjoys the sawdust fairy.
It's my favorite.
I said that was corny, but hey, it is what it is. We make fun and we poke fun at the RV lifestyle, but we've come up with kind of a unique idea, and we thought we'd share it with you.
Well, this was just kind of like a funny, these are some of the real things, real
Right.
situations of RV life. But one of the questions we get asked a lot is about what is the RV lifestyle about, and how is it, and why are you liking it? Because people are considering it every day. New people are considering that.
Yeah, whether we're going full-time, part-time, or anything in between.
So we thought this video we'd do a little, just a comedy humor on it.
Introduction type
Yeah.
thing.
But our next video, you don't want to miss it, because we're going to take a serious look at what is the RV lifestyle like, and we're going to dig down into it so that maybe you can help decide, or help yourself decide, if the RV lifestyle is for you.
So for the upcoming weeks, there's several videos we'll be publishing on Tuesdays that are going to go over these subjects, and we just thought it would be a great little series that you could follow along in our normal scheduled content. So we'll just figure we'd take several weeks and just go over that on Tuesdays and answer all the questions that you might have.
Yeah. just for you to decide, is this life for you? That's it.
No sawdust fairies included.
Well, I'd share. Really.
You
He's for hire.
you barely made it through this video.
Really. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things.
Yes, be a doer of all things. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you to all the Switch crew for always supporting us, and we do appreciate you. So until next time, we are
Thankfully out.